My name is Steve Augustine, and I joined FVF Law in the fall of 2025. The most rewarding part of personal injury law is knowing that you're helping someone when they're in the worst possible situation they've probably ever found themselves in. Being able to help someone as opposed to, a faceless company or some other large interest or a governmental entity, it does not feel the same than when you get that voice of appreciation knowing that you helped someone in their time of need. So the core value that really resonates with me is advocacy, and I've been doing this for 16 years now. I've tried cases in multiple forums in multiple states. I've done short trials, multi-week trials, trials that weren't worth much money and trials that were worth millions and millions of dollars. And what I will say is through my experience in doing that, kind of the same things always remain true. And that is the hardest working, best prepared lawyers reach the best results. And in my experience at FVF Law, I know that in addition to myself, everyone here has those key elements. One of the things that I think is unique here at FVF Law is it's not this kind of strict hierarchy where attorneys are at the top in their corner offices and everyone else is kind of working away in cubicles. Instead, there is a real camaraderie amongst the paralegals and staff and the attorneys, and a real partnership where everyone has the same goal in mind. The communication lines are open, and whether a client wants to talk to an attorney or wants to talk to a paralegal, they can be confident that whoever they speak to is going to understand their case, is going to know what's going on, and will put them in touch with the right individuals to make sure that their questions are answered. In the 16 years I've been practicing, you come across a lot of lawyers, you see a lot of things, and pretty clearly you see that there are right ways to do things and wrong ways to do things. And I feel like if I were a client and I needed a personal injury lawyer to represent my interests, what I would be looking for is exactly what I've found here at FVF Law, which is attorneys and staff who care, who are interested in the case, and are willing to put forth the maximum effort to make sure they receive an excellent result.